If you want to know how we make healthy eating work every single day, this is probably the best place to start. We just moved, and so we have been busy restocking our kitchen with everything to make the healthy choice the easy choice. So today I'm going to bring you through a fridge tour, and I'll also give you a glimpse into our freezer and pantry. And stay tuned till the end. We'll give you a sneak peek of our backyard. We no longer have a garage. This is going to become an Airbnb, so stay tuned if you want to rent it out after we leave. There's a reason I'm standing right here. I want the healthy things to be the first thing we see, the most accessible. We've got our ripe, organic, local mango, picked just an hour south of Sarasota. We've got our avocados, some figs. Buying in-season produce is going to give you the most nutrition, the best flavor. We've got organic pineapple and tons of bananas. And one important tip that helped me tremendously when I got started on a plant-based diet was when somebody said to stagger your bananas. So buy some that are green, which we have a whole case of green bananas that we're going to let ripen so that we can peel them and break them apart and freeze them for smoothies for weeks. So buy some that are green, some that are yellow, and maybe some that already have speckles. This is just about perfectly ripe. I'll probably let them go 1 or 2 more days, and they're amazing for smoothies and snacking when they're at this level where the starches have converted into sugars, into glucose, which is your body's preferred fuel source. Your brain especially needs to run on glucose. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. Sugar is not the enemy when it's packaged perfectly the way nature intended it. This kind of sugar is tied to fiber, vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, so many things that are good for your gut health, good for your brain, and good to fuel your body if you want to live a healthy, active lifestyle. And if you're watching this right now, but you already know what to do, maybe you've already read the books, saved the recipes, maybe even had AI make you a plan, but you have trouble sticking with it. Consistency is key. That is exactly why we created the EatMoveRest Longevity Mastermind. So if you're looking for our highest level of accountability and group coaching to get further faster, please check the description below and tap the link, and we'll talk to you very soon. So we have a little bit of a smaller refrigerator, which I was a little nervous about, but we're also much closer to many farmers markets and grocery stores, which I prefer. Smaller grocery hauls, smaller fridge, getting fresher items more frequently is definitely my jam. At eye level is the healthiest options. We've got tons of ripe organic berries. We've got some delicious kiwis. I've got my completely preservative-free plant-based skincare. I'll actually link it below because it's been such a game changer for my skin, and actually contains a natural SPF. No chemicals. So in the far back here, I have my smoothie prep jars. So this is essentially like part of my daily multivitamin. We've got seeds, we've got dulse, Brazil nuts, a little protein powder in there, some greens powder. I like to keep these on hand because, especially as we were moving into this place, I brought a handful of these from our other refrigerator, and it was easy to just wake up the next day amidst boxes and unpacking and just dump this into the blender. Then I just crammed in a few fresh and frozen ingredients, blended, and I was good to go, and I feel so good. We actually recently just filmed a green smoothie recipe video and a smoothie jar prep recipe. Go check them out. The full recipe is in our app, it's in our cookbook. We've got an abundance of resources for you guys. So next level, we've got mainly veggies. So bell peppers of all different colors. The pepper keeper, this is one of my absolute favorites. I had to order my mom these because they're such a game changer. This helps to keep it fresh for a few days. I usually try to get one of every color of the rainbow when I'm chopping my veggies. So we've got cherry tomatoes out on the corner over there, and then we've got the peppers, the cabbage, romaine lettuce, and green leaf lettuce. Romaine has a sweetness to it. Green leaf has a tenderness to it. They're my absolute favorites. I can eat a high volume of these and really enjoy my salads. It's amazing for weight loss because these foods are super high in volume. They're water dense, they're fiber rich, and they're low in calories. So you can fill up and feel physically full. They digest very smoothly and quickly as well. So you're gonna notice that Things become more regular. These are all a major plus if you're looking to optimize your weight. Ripe avocado, we set them on the countertop. Once they're the perfect ripeness, they go in the fridge and they will stay that way for days. I do my own sprouts, so right here we have alfalfa sprouts for this week. I also do a lot of broccoli sprouts. We've got mushrooms for our curries and soups. And then I always have a cashew cheese on hand for our burrito bowl nights for healthy fats. Hummus for dipping veggies and crackers. We always keep a good organic sourdough on hand for avo toast. Next level, we've got more veggies. We always keep cruciferous veggies. They're fantastic cancer fighters. So cauliflower, behind it we've got broccoli. Dino kale, the darkest leafy, I would argue the most potent. This is the one that I put in our green smoothies every day and the one that I would choose if I were going to be juicing as well. Our two protein powerhouses, we've got tofu and tempeh. We will cube and bake this with coconut aminos. We scramble it. I like to saute this in a splash of water with seasonings for salads. We always put the tofu in our curries and in our burrito bowls. In here I've got some curly kale and some collards. So the curly kale I like to tear up. Sometimes I'll do a salad. Usually I like to steam it in soups and stews. And the collards I like to juice and put in our green smoothies as well. And then we've got our fruit drawer. So when apples are in season, this thing will be loaded to the brim with Honey Crisps. We do buy the Granny Smith year round. I juice with these. I toss one in our green smoothie every day for a nice tart flavor. We also keep ginger and turmeric on hand. If you've never made a ginger turmeric shot, they are a must-have if you're experiencing any sort of inflammation. These are amazing. And then lots of citrus, lemons and limes for all sorts of uses, even just squeezing in our waters. Down here, more veggies. So we've got celery for cooking, and I always put it in our green smoothies. We've got radishes for rainbow salads, tons of carrots for dipping and snacking, tons of green onions. I'm a huge fan of those on my salads. And then we've got cucumbers. The kids love to munch on them. We juice with them. Zucchini. Dusty is a big fan of Italian, so he will do the mushrooms, the zucchini, onion, garlic, all the flavors, and some good tomato sauce with lentils. Super protein rich. He always finely chops all of these veggies and they're totally hidden. The kids have no idea they're eating such a nutritious pasta. It's amazing. And just to address the plastic, yes, I know it looks very wasteful. You can reuse these, you guys, and you definitely don't want your produce to wilt and end up in the trash. That is exactly what happens if we don't use plastic, especially here in hot, muggy, humid Florida. In this store, we have lots of various supplements. We don't use all of them every day. One that I do use every day, though, is my Complement Omega Complex. It especially helped me postpartum with like mental health and clarity. It's great for your heart, your eyes, your brain, everything. So super important to stay on top of the EPA and DHA. And speaking of Complement, on the second shelf here, we have our Complement Essential. So earlier I mentioned my green smoothie being kind of like my multi. Well, this is the other half of my multi. This is truly a multi, but it's not to replace a healthy, robust plant-based diet. It's to complement it with just the 8 essential nutrients you want to make sure you're staying on top of. So if you guys want to check out Complement, it's linked below along with a 15% off discount code. We've got some coconut cream we keep on hand for our curries, and then our 2 beverages other than water. The only 2 we really keep on hand is orange juice for the kiddos. I mix their little powdered multi in it, and the soy milk. This is going to be the best dairy alternative, the most comparable because it's got the healthy omega fats. It's also got protein and a little bit of iron. And really quick, in this door, we have our seeds, all of our omega-3 powerhouses for smoothies and smoothie toppings. We've got some sauerkraut. Fermented foods are so important for gut health. This is our nutritional yeast. We just keep everything in these nice jars to keep them fresh. And more smoothie ingredients here. We've got our Brazil nuts, dulse. We've got some green powders, spirulina, apple cider vinegar, and other condiments. I would say the only one that gets used routinely is the coconut aminos. It's so good, again, for tofu, salad dressings. We've got our cherry tomatoes and our avocados that are still ripening, and then my little sprouting jar. This is hands down the best sprouting jar out there. They also sell the highest yield organic sprouts. I'll link it below with a discount. We've got our herbal teas and matchas over here, easy to grab. I'm a huge fan of matcha for a calm, focused energy. I'll link my favorite. Arguably more important than food is water, staying hydrated. So we are huge water bottle collectors. If you have a beautiful vessel to drink your water out of, you're gonna wanna sport this. You're gonna bring it with you everywhere you go. It's gonna keep you super hydrated. So we got lots of fun stuff there. Just got a restock on some of our Compliment favorites. They just brought out a new chocolate protein that's amazing. The creatine, Dusty loves and uses. He got me using it. I'm still kind of trialing it, but there are numerous benefits. It's fantastic for your muscle growth and development and recovery. It's also amazing for cognitive health. So definitely try it out. So in our cabinets here, we've got some extra supplements up top. This level, just mainly more overflow protein and such. These are the absolute best if you're looking for a fruit snack alternative. The whole family loves to snack on dried mango. We keep tons of rolled oats on hand that we get from Costco in bulk. We've got our spices. This is the powerhouse. This is what's going to give all your bland plant foods tons of flavor when you're cooking in the evenings especially. These two are actually really good finds. They cost a pretty penny and we just keep them for occasional snacks. They are no sugar added cereals for the kids. On this level we have all of our items for baking as well as our bulk grains and beans. We've got chickpeas, quinoa, different types of lentils. My personal favorite are the red lentils. If you're looking to amp up your iron and protein intake, lentils are going to be your best bet. Brown rice, white rice, chickpeas, black beans. We usually like to cook them, so we'll soak them overnight and then pop them in the Instant Pot. In our dinners, I make sure to always have some type of chickpea or bean and some type of lentil for lots and lots of protein and iron. Down here, we've got snacky things. Most of them are just nuts and seeds. These are my personal favorite for salad toppings. These are my favorite for munching and crunching on the go. We've got tons of dates, my favorite after meal snack, and also my favorite baked goods sweetener. We do air popped popcorn all the time, such a good snack. And our favorite oil-free organic crackers. Cashews and walnuts are probably our favorite nuts. Cashews are gonna taste the best when you're blending sauces and dips. Walnuts are gonna be your best bang for nutrition. Lots of omega-3s. This is where we keep our onions, garlic, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. We've got a couple pastas in there. And down here we've got canned tomato sauces, coconut cream, more pasta. We absolutely love the chickpea pasta, really high in protein and iron. Cashew butter, peanut butter, almond butter, organic coconut oil, buttery flavoring for the kids for toast. And some canned beans. This is pretty much just extra from what we buy in bulk, either at Costco or online. And I will typically pour them into our mason jars you just saw and keep the extra over here. The mason jars make them more organized, easier to use. Down here, we've got our appliances. So we've got our juicers, blenders, Instant Pot, toaster, waffle iron. We've got a Yonanas for nice cream. Another favorite from Costco is our brown rice ramen. Nice cutting boards. If you have a plastic cutting board, definitely upgrade to wood. Right here we have our soda streams. So if you like fizzy bubbly drinks, maybe you're hooked on sugary soda, get a soda stream. It makes beverages like mocktails so much more fun. I'll just do carbonated water with a splash of orange juice and some other type of fruit juice, maybe squeeze some lemon in it, and it's so good. So I've mentioned Costco quite a bit, and our Costco hauls are very popular. If you want to see an updated Costco haul, comment below and let me know. And I almost forgot to show you guys the frozen stuff. So in here, we always keep plenty of Ezekiel bread on hand for PB&J and Avo toast. We've got tons of edamame. We just actually snacked on a bunch of that. Sweet corn and sweet peas are our two main favorite frozen veggies. We've got broccoli. I always buy frozen bagged kale. It's already been triple washed, so I'll bring it home and throw it straight in the freezer. And then if or when I run out of fresh, I use this to blend in my smoothies. It's the best hack. So in here we've got our wild blueberries, strawberries. We always have lots of mango, pineapple, and then the other two superfoods that we put in all of our smoothie bowls. We'll either do dragon fruit or acai in almost every smoothie. This one's gonna give it a bold, bright pink hue. This one is gonna be your antioxidant powerhouse. So we do have a very small freezer, but we did invest in a deep freeze, which we have out on the side of the house with all of our extras, giant bags of frozen mango, frozen edamame, strawberries that we just stocked up on at Costco, and all of our frozen bananas. So I think convenience gets a bad rap. We all hear the term convenience foods and we think fast food, processed packaged junk, right? Convenience is actually your best friend if you make healthy items convenient. So that's why we have the spread of fresh fruit that's colorful and eye-catching, right where you can grab it. We put our bulk items in mason jars. We invested in a high-speed blender to make nutrient-dense smoothies as meals, and all of these things make the healthy choice the easy choice. I just did a video with my top 20 staple grocery foods, and then in the next video I show you guys how I turn those into amazing healthy meals. So go watch both of those videos. My hope is that from this video your main takeaway isn't that you need to run out to the store and grab every single item on the list that I just showed you guys. I want your main takeaway to be that your environment matters. So build your environment, build up your routines, and surround yourself with people who are going where you want to go. And this kind of brings me back to what I was talking about at the beginning of the video. You don't need more information. There is plenty of information overload on the internet. What you really need is a plan built for your life and the accountability to get you to where you want to go. That's honestly why I think we're finding so much success with our mastermind group. It's not just another downloadable PDF or a guide. It's actual people, real human connection. Dusty and I guiding the group, but also so much wisdom contributed from each and every member from a different walk of life at a different place on their path. So you can take from everybody's successes and wins and their setbacks and failures and make your own recipe for success in your life. If you're at a point where you're tired of collecting information and you're ready to have someone actually help you implement it, there's an application below. So click the link and we'll have someone from our team reach out to you to see if it's a good fit. And speaking of environment, I promised a sneak peek at our backyard. I promise you, it's nothing fancy right now, but I figured it's worth showing so that you can see the transformation that's about to take place. Let's go look. Excuse the mess. Okay, we are out here. We've already got a nice deck set up situation. I rolled out my yoga mat and I heaved all my dumbbells out here for a leg day workout and a lymph and fascia flow today. If you don't already, go subscribe to Move with Erin. You will not regret it. It's awesome. So Dusty actually already installed a nice outdoor shower. We've got these beautiful palms already built up for a little bit of privacy and a lush tropical backdrop for new YouTube videos coming soon on Move with Erin. We've got our cold plunge over in the corner. We have not used it in months, so we're gonna freshen that up and we'll talk to you guys more about cold therapy and all kinds of other biohacking fun stuff. And then we're gonna put a covered workout space over here, maybe get the Peloton, the dumbbells, a few machines, or just the treadmill. Anything to make the healthy choice the easy choice. And since this is such a small lot, we're gonna utilize every ounce of space that we can. So we've got this side yard here that we don't really know what we're gonna do with yet. We've thought about turf. We've thought about maybe just cementing it. Not exactly sure yet, but give us your ideas in the comments below. What should we do with this side lot? It is now dinner time. We're reheating some yellow curry with tofu, one of my favorite meals that's in the Happy Healthy Plant-Based Cookbook. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming into our new home. Leave us some love in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.